Hello viewers, welcome to Tradabulls. So today Nifty creates a new all-time high and one of the best closings also. So closed above 25,050 mark above. So 25,052 was the final settlement price. So sentiment wise 21 positive side and 29 were negative side. So majorly Infosys, Bharti Airtel contributed more than 20 points. So downside Axis Bank and ITC SBI 8 to 6 points downside contribution. So coming to weekly data, so from last 3 days, so sentiment was improved a lot. 30 out of 50 positive side and 20 out of 50 negative side. Majorly Infosys, ICICI Bank, Bharti Airtel, L&T, HDFC Bank, 5 contributed more than 20 to 50 or 60 points positive side contribution. Downside majorly ITC and HUL. So FMCG were lost about 9 to 16 points in negative side. So coming to major index, Nifty. So even yesterday's session also we mentioned. So this is third session. Nifty was closed above 25,000 mark. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, last 3 days, Nifty closed above 25,000 mark. So 25,000 was the last month's high. So when we compare last month's data, July month's data, so 25,000 was the last month high. So last 3 days, Nifty closed above that level, 100% of last month's range. So now the probability or the higher chances for Nifty would be 25,238 levels, which is 123.6% level. But we have another 2 more days to close the monthly candle. So maybe Nifty, there are higher probability to test 25,238 levels. And coming to major pivot points level, 25,270 to 25,300 is the major resistance for this month, August month. So we have 2 more days to close the monthly candle. So there are higher chances to touch these levels, so 25,270 to 300 levels. So coming to Bank Nifty, so since last 3 days, Bank Nifty was closed above 51,000 mark. So 51,127 is the 23.6% of last month's range. So last month's high was 53,357 and the low was 50,438. So both days, last 3 days, market was closed above 51,127 level, which is 23.6%. So there are higher chances to close 51,550 level either tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so which is equal to 38.2% of last month's range. So once if closes above 51,500 level, we may expect some speedy rally on Bank Nifty. So coming to weekly's data, so last 3 days, Bank Nifty was closed above 100% of last week's range. So last week high was 51,118 level. So last 3 days, Bank Nifty was in the consolidation zone in between 51,500 to 51,200 level. So today's closing also 51,143 level, which is greater than 100% of last week's range. So there are higher chances tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, it may retest these levels, 51,600 levels. So once it breaks, there are higher chances to move 52,500 levels. So majorly 51,293 to 273, roughly 51,300 is major hurdle as per weekly's data. So last 3 days it is touching that level, but closing in between 51,000 to 51,300 level. So here there is a major hurdle for weekly data in Bank Nifty, 51,300 level. Any day, if it closes above that level, we may expect some speedy momentum in upward direction. So coming to IT, so IT, this is today's stock of town. So the Nifty momentum, whatever more than 150 to 160 points range momentum, majorly contributed by IT. So IT last 3 days, when we compare last month's range, 100% is showing somewhere 41,380 level. So last 3 days, I think Tuesday it was closed below 41,380 level. So but again Monday it was closed below that level. Yesterday it was closed above 41,380 level. So today it touched 42,630 level. So yesterday in our analysis, we expected this level. So probability of higher chances in IT to reach 42,630 levels. So today it touched 42,630 level. So today's high was 42,717. So there are higher chances if it closes above this level. Since we have 2 more days to close monthly candle, so higher chances to touch 43,400 level in next 2 days. So Thursday and Friday, if it is trading above 42,630 levels, so there are higher chances to go 43,400 levels. So coming to weekly's data, so 41,900 is the big resistance for this week, but last 3 days it is trading above that level. So above 42,000 or 41,900 level. Now IT has a major support at 41,900 levels. So coming to Nifty Plus. So Nifty Plus specifically we designed it for intraday traders. So here Nifty, Banknifty and IT, 3 major indices in NSE. So Nifty, Banknifty and IT. So Nifty has 35% weightage of Banknifty and more than 17% of IT and 10% of Reliance. So all 3 together, Banknifty, IT and Reliance. So all 3 together more than 60% weightage on Nifty. So that's why just we are tracking all these 4 major things in single glance with all 6 time frames: daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, half yearly and yearly. So coming to observations. So here we are providing 16 observations. So our application tracks all these 16 observations second to second or minute to minute. So how many succeeded in positive side and how many succeeded into negative side. So based on that one, the arrow marks will be displayed. So here up arrow or tilt arrow or down arrow, there are 3 arrows, so which indicates the market's momentum. So Nifty, I think almost all from high to close, more than 80 points profit booking happened in last 1 hour. So morning it was showing upward momentum, but while closing it was showing in negative neutral direction. So 6 out of 16 positive side closed and negative side none of the observations closed. And Bank Nifty also in neutral and IT. So since morning IT was closed firmly, so it was paused 16 out of 16 observations. And Reliance, it is showcasing some weakness. So none of the positive observations succeeded. Out of 16, 10 got negative side succeeded actually. So coming to weekly data, this is one of the important data for this week. So last 3 days data, what it is showing, Nifty is going further upward momentum. So already 16 out of 16 positive side observations succeeded and none of the negative side observations succeeded, and Bank Nifty also indicating upside. So 11 out of 16 positive observations, and IT 16 out of 16 positive observations, and Reliance none of the positive observations succeeded. So only weakness in Reliance, but that is not perfect weakness. So since the arrow mark is indicating still neutral zone only, so Reliance anytime it may go further upside as long as it holds this tilt arrow. So, but coming to all 3 major indices, Nifty, Bank Nifty and IT, as per last 3 days data, it is showcasing upward momentum. So monthly data, 2 more days is left to close the monthly candle. So still as per today's close, so today first time, I think not first time actually, today it was closed in the green color candle. So last month open was 25,031. So last month open was, this month open was 25,031. August 1st open was 25,030. So first time the closing was closed above that level. So 25,030 level. So first time monthly candle closed in green color. So still we have 2 more days to close the monthly candle. So except banks, so IT still it is showcasing clear upside in monthly data, and IT Nifty is also succeeded 10 out of 16, but still banks are showcasing some weakness, and Reliance also in neutral direction. So as per weekly data and monthly data, Reliance showcasing some neutral zone. So anytime Reliance may go upside. So coming to quarterly and yearly, half yearly data, still we have one more month to close this quarterly data. So quarterly positive side, Nifty positive side, and IT also positive side. So both banks and Reliance are showcasing in neutral direction. So coming to yearly data from last 8 months, so 16 out of 16 observations succeeded in Nifty, and Bank Nifty is also 13 out of 16 positive side and 16 out of 16 in IT, and Reliance also 16 out of 16. So all three major indices and Reliance heavyweight, all four are indicating upward momentum. So Nifty may go till 26,000 in next month or next to next month. So that's all about today's analysis. We'll meet in next analysis. Thank you so much.